The SEANLP is a platform that empowers nutrition professionals to develop leadership, communication, and decision-making skills. SEANLP prepares participants to enhance nutrition development and provides a forum for professionals to exchange ideas and collaborate regionally. The SEANLP is conducted under the auspices of the European NLP and is part of the Global Nutrition Leadership Platform together with European NLP and African NLP. It was initiated and organized by Simiorek Fund since 2002. Since its inception, SEANLP has trained 13 batches, resulting in nearly 300 alumni from various Southeast Asian countries, including nutritionists, researchers, and policymakers. A major success for SEANLP is its model's adoption in the Philippines, leading to 4 successful batches of the National Nutrition Leadership Program. Hear from SEANLP experts about their experiences and the lasting impact of the program. Join SEANLP to drive change in Southeast Asia's nutrition landscape.